KUPPET Mini Portable Washing Machine for Compact Laundry, 7.7 pounds capacity, small semi-automatic compact washer with timer control single translucent tub. Superscript 2 compact size. The washer is great for dorms, apartments, condos, motorhomes, RVs, camping and more. Its light and small shape offers greater flexibility and allows you to move it easily. Superscript 2 user-friendly clear lid makes you easy to see and monitor the water condition. And the small size with low power consumption can save much energy. Superscript 2 timer control single tub washing machine up to 15 minutes wash control timer to meet your different needs. Superscript 2 easy operation KUPPET washing machine allows you to simply put in your load of clothes, fill with water, set the timer, then start washing. What's more, our washing machine features a drain tube which allows you to easily drain out dirty water. Superscript 2 capacity and specifications. Washing capacity is 7.7 pounds, overall dimensions 14.2-13.4 20 inches. Power supply 110V 60Hz, rated wash input power 170W, ideal for small loads and delicate, lightweight and easily movable. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.